This is Ayodhya, the sacred Indian city that resonates with the epic tales of Indian deity Lord Ram. Join me in this spiritual journey as I set out to explore and bring to you the tales from the land of Ram. The tales that still live in every heart of Ayodhya Vasi or natives of Ayodhya. This is the story of what all makes Ayodhya, a place filled with profound spirituality and deep-rooted devotion for Lord Ram, the very soul of Ayodhya. From the banks of this majestic and much revered river Saryu, we bring to you the legendary city of Ayodhya and tell you in the next half an hour what makes Ayodhya everything that has got to do with the land of Lord Ram. Ayodhya, or legendary temple town, is settled in south-central Uttar Pradesh state in northern India on the banks of Saryu River. An ancient town, Ayodhya is regarded as one of the 7 sacred cities of the Hindus, greatly revered because of its association with the great Indian epic Ramayana, the birthplace of Hindu deity Lord Ram, and with the rule of his father, King Dashrath. So Ayodhya, since time immemorial, has retained its old world charm, retained the narrative when divine meets divinity. The Ayodhya Vasis, the natives of Ayodhya, what they call, believe that this very Ayodhya or Ayodhya Ji, that's what they call with respect, is the central to the Sanatan Dharma or eternal religion or Hinduism. Saryu River, or the Holy Saryu River as the devout of Ayodhya call it, flows gracefully, bestowing its divine blessings from this city and its people as described in ancient Hindu scriptures such as Vedas and epics like Ramayana. Ayodhya is revered as Lord Rama's birthplace, which holds immense spiritual, historical, cultural significance for India's Hindu populace. Despite the town's great age, there are more than few surviving monuments of any antiquity. Replete with old world charm, parts of Ayodhya are still reminiscent of its ancient vibe. Over many centuries and transcending multiple eras and vagaries of time, what stands rock solid and constant amidst changing times from ancient to modern era in Ayodhya is the emotion replete with the inexplicable devotion for Lord Ram. Ayodhya, in other words, is all about Lord Ram. Perhaps that's why they call it the land of Lord Ram. The sentiment profoundly explained by Ayodhya Vasis or the natives. As we enjoy this boat ride in the lap of holy river Saryu with Chandrasekhar, devotee of Lord Ram and native of Ayodhya. अयोध्या में ऐसी क्या खास बात है?
देखिए, ये सनातन धर्म की धर्म नगरी है, राजधानी है। इससे बड़ा धर्म स्थल कहीं भी नहीं है। जितने भी हैं धार्मिक नगरी, उसमें सर्वश्रेष्ठ इसी को माना गया है। यहाँ रग रग में, कण कण में, हर जगह हवा में, हर जगह राम ही है, राममय है। फैसला आने के बाद पूरी तरह अयोध्या नगरी बदली हुई है। लोगों में बहुत उत्साह है और लोग जो है 22 जनवरी का इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
मैंने ये भी यहाँ पे महसूस किया। ये देखिए, गली गली में जय जय सिया राम। Ayodhya has come to life, or many told us, Ayodhya got its new lease of life in the form of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir or Ram Temple. Ahead of the Vedic rituals heralding the Pran Pratishtha or consecration ceremony of Lord Ram, preceding the main ceremony, the city wears the festive look and its marked date that every native in Ayodhya has lived for, or every believer of eternal religion the world over.
माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जब तक वो निर्णय आया है उसके बाद से यहाँ पे एक हलचल सी मची है और उसके बाद में यहाँ पर्यटनों का, धार्मिक लोगों का और देश विदेश में भी एक ये अच्छा मैसेज गया। आज का आवागमन है, आज के आवागमन में लगभग 100% वृद्धि हुई है।
So with the conviction of faith, the Ayodhya Vasis or the natives of Ayodhya firmly believe in the thought of Ayodhya Puri Mastake, which means that when it comes to the most ancient holy places of worship in India, it's this place, Ayodhya, which takes the lead. As we descend towards the evening, the riverbanks of Saryu Ghat resonate with the grandeur of traditional Aarti. I can tell my viewers that Saryu Ghat is not merely a place, it's a living testament to the ebb and flow of life's sacred moments. Now was the time for Saryu Aarti or Hindu ritual of worship where light is ritually waved for the veneration of deities along the Ghat. Ghat is a term used for set of steps leading down to river. It's daily ritual in the mornings and evenings which draws thousands of tourists and devotees. We could not help but immerse ourselves in spiritual extravaganza called Ayodhya. This was our first stop over the Saryu Ghat. Capturing and experiencing the divine against the setting sun over the holy river Saryu. Saryu Aarti, a mesmerizing ritual taking place against the backdrop of serene river and illuminated temples. Saryu Aarti takes place every early morning and every evening, which means every dawn and dusk. And any visit to Ayodhya Ji is not complete without attending the very famous, the very revered Saryu Aarti here on the banks of river Saryu. सब कहते हैं कि अब रामराज की वापसी, कुछ लोग तो ये भी कहते हैं कि रामराज की वापसी के रामराज तो पहले से ही था।
कण कण में भी भगवान राम की सत्ता का एहसास हमें होता है यदि हम लोग ध्यान से उसका अवलोकन करें। आज भी होता है कण कण में, तो भगवान राम जन जन के हैं।
Chief priest further explains that Saryu is not just a geographical waterway, it is a symbol of purity and sanctity. Its name translating to, and I quote, that which is streaming, unquote, alludes to its ability to cleanse both souls and surroundings. जो ये भी बताया गया है महन जी कि जहाँ जहाँ राम का नाम लिया जाएगा, सरयू नदी और सरयू नदी की आरती का नाम उसके साथ साथ लिया जाएगा।
निश्चित रूप से प्रमुख नदियों में सबसे प्रथम अगर हम विचार करें पृथ्वी पर देव नदियों में किन देव नदी का आगमन हुआ तो उसमें माँ सरजू जी हैं। हम सारे लोग, जितने लोग धर्मावलंबी हैं, जितने लोग धर्म को मानने वाले लोग हैं, सारे लोग सरजू जी में आकर के स्नान करेंगे ही, मज्जन करेंगे ही, इनका दर्शन करेंगे ही। जो ऐसा करके नहीं जाते हैं उन्हें अयोध्या आने का फल नहीं मिलता।
It was now time to move on from mesmerizing riverfront ghat on the banks of river Saryu. While trying to absorb the legends and tales associated with Saryu River, I by now was convinced what was waiting for us. Unfolding stories of divine spectacle called Ayodhya. Staying with the sacred traditions of Ayodhya, we captured another divine moment in the heart of Ayodhya. It is the crack of the dawn, and this is Hanuman Gadi. Already reverberating with morning prayers in the worship of Lord Hanuman. The energy here is palpable. Making our way into Ramkot, the chief place of worship in Ayodhya, is the site of this ancient citadel of Ramkot, which stands on elevated ground in western part of the city. It is home to numerous temples of significance. One such temple is this one, Hanumangari, the 10th century Hindu temple located in Sai Nagar area of Ayodhya. It is one of the popular temple complexes of Lord Hanuman in North India. Situated in the center of the town, Hanumangari temple is dedicated to the Hindu deity Lord Hanuman. It is believed that Lord Hanuman lived here in a cave and guarded the Janmabhoomi or Ramkot, a massive structure in the shape of a four-sided fort with circular bastions at each corner. The main temple houses a 6-inch tall idol of Hanuman. The main temple has an interior cave adorned with the numerous statues of Lord Hanuman along with his mother, Ma Anjani. This is 10th century old Hanumangari temple, one of the most ancient and revered temples of Lord Hanuman. This is a site which speaks volumes of the kind of faith that people have in Lord Hanuman. They come from different parts of the country to have glimpse of their Lord. In fact, the legend goes, the verses of Hanuman Chalisa have been inscribed on the walls of this Hanumangari temple. The hilltop temple houses a 76 staircase pathway to the entrance, housed within the panoramic view of the surrounding hills and almost entire city of Ayodhya. In view of the consecration ceremony of Ram Temple, the footfall of tourists and devotees has grown multifold. The chief priest or Mahant, Raju Das, speaks of the overwhelming emotions of the natives of Ayodhya associated with the Ram Janmabhoomi or birthplace of Lord Ram and what it means for devotees of Hinduism the world over.
हम जिस जगह पे हैं, इस जगह को कहा जाता है, ये हनुमान जी महाराज का दुर्ग है। यहाँ हनुमान जी महाराज राजा के रूप में बैठे हैं।
महान जी, यहाँ तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि हर दिन दिवाली है।
लाखों राम भक्त आते हैं, दर्शन और पूजन करते हैं, उनकी सारी कष्ट को, उनकी सारी व्याधा को, सारे दुख को दूर हनुमान जी महाराज करते हैं। यह भारत सनातन राष्ट्र है, ये भारत हिंदू राष्ट्र है। हिंदू राष्ट्र मतलब सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबकी विश्वास। इस राष्ट्र में जो भी व्यक्ति रहता हो, उसकी जो भी जीवन शैली हो, उसकी जो भी पूजा पद्धति हो, उसकी जो भी परंपरा हो, उसके परंपरा को कोई ना रोके, उसी को हिंदू राष्ट्र कहते हैं।
The chief priest further explains the popular belief that before going to Ram Temple in Ayodhya, it is customary to worship Lord Hanuman, who resides in this temple. The Hanuman temple is believed to be near the birthplace of Lord Ram. As every household led to a temple, and every temple had a deep connect with the life and times of Lord Ram, we found ourselves at the doorstep of yet another iconic temple structure, Ram Gulela Temple in Ramkot. Ram Gulela Temple in Ramkot is not far away from Ram Janmabhoomi main temple complex. And now we delve into the story behind this ancient temple.
ये राजा विक्रमादित्य से पहले का आश्रम है। यहाँ भगवान गुलेल खेला करते थे, तो उस जगह पे आप बैठे हुए हैं जहाँ भगवान का क्रीड़ा स्थल था, इसलिए इस मंदिर का नाम राम गुलेला मंदिर।
He is also telling us that this place used to house 2,000 to 3,000, 2-4,000 आप बता रहे हैं, ऋषि, मुनि और संत. The congregation of saints dating back to prehistoric era, much before King Vikramaditya's time. They used to congregate here and perform yagyas. The Ram Gulela temple complex is being refurbished but also houses ashram or spiritual hermitage or monastery for young disciples of Hinduism and its various trustees. I've been told that this structure is more than 150 years old. Now this is an ashram as we speak, and here we have these disciples of Sanatan Dharma under the age of 16. And let's try and understand why and what made them choose this calling of studying Sanatan Dharma and spreading its values and teachings not across the country but across the globe. तो फिर आप हमें ये बताइए कि आपने सनातन धर्म और शास्त्र की पढ़ाई क्यों चुनी?
हमें भगवान राम के बारे में सभी को बताना है एवं सनातन धर्म को अपने बढ़ाना है, इसीलिए हमने शास्त्र की पढ़ाई चुनी।
हम अपने घर से माँ बाप सबको छोड़ कर आए हैं, यहाँ पर रहते हैं, भगवान के चरणों में हैं, सेवा करते हैं, जैसा हो सके वैसा हम भी करते हैं, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं, अपना पढ़ाई भी करते हैं।
मैं शुरुआत से देखता आया हूँ, जो पंडिताई करते हैं उनका नाम भी होता है, इज्जत भी होता है, तभी मैं इस पढ़ाई को पढ़ा।
कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो?
6।
So, besides their normal studies, these disciples of Sanatan Dharma attend the teachings here in ashram regularly. We could safely say that these are the remnants of history, of civilization dating back to years ago. But lots of things are still intact. It seems that the time, as far as this structure is concerned, Ram Gulela Mandir or Ram Gulela temple, it seems that the time has stopped here. We'll try and go and capture with Shastri ji as much as possible the old world charm, the ancient charm. The priest tells us district administration is implementing the refurbishment of temples in and around Ramkot in phased manner. He sounds upbeat for Ayodhya, says Ayodhya's golden days are back. As I felt the very essence of the heritage building, I'm getting you this story from. शास्त्री जी, अब क्योंकि मंदिर के निर्माण की शुरुआत जब हुई, अयोध्या पे एकदम से पूरा फोकस आया दोबारा से। मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि हम अयोध्या को भूल गए थे, लेकिन अब अयोध्या की वापसी हुई है, एक तरह से हमारी पहचान की वापसी हुई है भारतवर्ष की।
हाँ, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है कि बहुत सालों के बाद अब जा कर के अयोध्या फिर से एक बार राममय हो चुकी है, और अयोध्या के साथ साथ में पूरा भारत और जितने लोग सनातन धर्म को मानने वाले हैं पूरी दुनिया में, वो इस समय देख रहे हैं अयोध्या को, और सबकी नज़रें अयोध्या पर लगी हुई है।
आश्चर्य की बात ये भी है और बड़ी खूबसूरत बात है कि ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है ये अभी ऐसे का ऐसा ही खड़ा है। आप जैसे हमें बता रहे थे, मजबूती भरे दरवाजे।
उस समय में तो आज के जैसे जो विज्ञान ने हमको दिया है, इतनी मजबूती से बनाना सब कुछ, ये सब तो नहीं था, लेकिन वो मटेरियल इस तरीके से बनाया जाता था, लगाया जाता था कि कई हजार साल तक बिल्डिंग जो भी बने, बिल्डिंग हो या फिर मंदिर हो, जो भी बनता था उस समय में, वो काफ़ी हजार साल तक जो है टूटता नहीं था।
It's little overwhelming for us. We are bringing these very, very exclusive visuals to our viewers of DD India. These walls, these structures date back to more than 100 or more. And in a recorded history, as the priest, the chief priest Shastri ji tells us, it seems that history is locked in time here as we trace the sentiment that makes Ayodhya special. राम जी का ये क्या आस्था है, श्रद्धा है?
ये आस्था है, लोगों का अपना अंतरात्मा की आस्था है, क्योंकि रोम रोम में सबके तो राम हैं। तो अगर राम है तो वो व्यक्ति सजीव है, अन्यथा अगर राम नहीं है तो जीते जी भी व्यक्ति निर्जीव है।
Just half a meter away from Ram Gulela temple, we landed in yet another spiritual retreat. In fact, it turned out to be a treat of sorts. This is Ram Rasoi, our next stop over. Yet another no ordinary place. Faith, they say, can move mountains, and faith, they also say, is also about abundance which it brings with it. We're getting you these visuals from Ram Rasoi, or a community kitchen which started way back in 2019 by this man. He has decided to run this Ram Rasoi or community kitchen for the devotees, for the pilgrims who come from different parts of the country to pay visit to the Ram temple here.
राम रसोई पटना महावीर मंदिर संस्था से चल रहा है। ये 2019 दिसंबर 1 तारीख से लगातार चल रहा है। अभी एक दिन में इधर 3000 से 4000 आदमी तक भोजन कर रहा है और हम लोग ये मेनू में 10 आइटम रहता है।
अब क्योंकि मंदिर के निर्माण की बात है और जनवरी में इतना बड़ा अयोध्या महोत्सव होगा तो यहाँ पे अब लोगों का काफ़ी आना जाना लगा रहेगा।
जी जनवरी 22 तारीख से देश में कोना कोना से आदमी आने के लिए बहुत इंतजार।
आपकी क्या तैयारी?
हम लोग का तैयारी सुबह 2000 पार्सल बांटने के लिए और 11 बजे से 4 बजे तक चलेगा और शाम में भी 6 बजे से 9 बजे तक चलेगा। अब आने लोग के लिए जितना आदमी आएगा उतना आदमी का हम लोग खाना बना के खिलाने के लिए प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं मैडम।
4 years is still going strong. Ram Rasoi has so far provided free meals to at least 25 lakh devotees in the last 3 years. Numbers are now swelling over to the consecration ceremony of Ram Janmabhoomi, and another emotion that also stood out loud and clear for Ayodhya and its natives, that Ram Janmabhoomi meant a world to them. So to understand and absorb the very essence of Ayodhya Nagari or Ayodhya and the faith for Lord Ram, we have reached here in another temple just adjacent to main Sanctum Sanctorum, and we have with us Pankaj ji.
22 जनवरी को रामलला का प्राण प्रतिष्ठा महोत्सव यहाँ बड़ी धूमधाम से और बहुत हर्षोल्लास से हम लोग मनाएंगे। विष्णु का मस्तक कहे जाते हैं अयोध्या कि ये विष्णु का मस्तक है, तो यहाँ पे हर कन पावन है। यहाँ तो आपको यहाँ पर एक जो मिठास है, एक अध्यात्म का मिठास है, एक ऊर्जा जो है आपको अलग तरह का पूरे भारत से अलग मिलेगा यहाँ।
Pankaj ji, who himself hails from Ayodhya, is very confident that Ayodhya is going to be in coming times one of the best cities in the entire country. The day was drawing to close. The legacy writ large amidst lanes and bylanes of Ayodhya is yet another striking feature of this ancient temple town, reflecting its ancient settings. Walls adorning mythological figures and pillars showcasing episodes from Ramayana are a normal sight in Ayodhya. In Ayodhya, though now a modern town, we were greeted by several mounds, scattered old heritage structures, marking the site of an ancient Ayodhya. All this with a very strong presence of devotion for Lord Rama, echoing from almost every household, the sentiment running across all generations. Writing was on the wall. Lord Rama for Ayodhya Vasis or natives is the way of life here. As I bring these incredible tales and legends to you from unexplored nooks and corners of Ayodhya, by the end of the first episode, I realized Ayodhya is not just core to the spiritual tourism of India. Ayodhya is a profound experience that connects you with the spiritual heritage of India and its roots seamlessly. For those with unshakable faith and innate belief in Sanatan Dharma or eternal religion, Ayodhya is the highest seat of learning. From serene Saryu River adorning the enchanting ghats against the backdrop of illuminated temples to the divine temples replete with rituals, the vibe here envelops you. Feeling that many define soul-touching and life-changing. Ayodhya Dham takes you through this incredible spiritual journey. Welcome to Ayodhya Dham, the inexplicable magic of Ayodhya Dham, which is coming together of divine and divinity and beyond. And Ram Janmabhoomi, the jewel in the crown, Ayodhya Dham, the land of Lord Ram. So replete with the relics of the ancient times, Ayodhya symbolizes everything that has got to do with Indian culture, Indian heritage, and traditions rooted in heritage and civilization footprints.